In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort mails by date in Outlook. This is a really handy trick for keeping your inbox organized, ensuring you never miss an important email, and making the most out of your daily digital interactions. Whether your inbox is bursting at the seams, or you just received a crucial email, sorting by date can help you find what you need quickly and efficiently. So let's dive into the process and get your emails sorted effortlessly in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Outlook. You can find it by typing the URL directly into the address bar, or simply search for it using your preferred search engine. Once you're on the main page of Outlook, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This prompt will lead you to a screen where you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you use your registered Outlook email credentials. Once you've entered your information, hit the sign in button and you'll be directed to your inbox. Now that you're looking at your inbox, take a moment to locate the sorting options. You'll see a small pair of up and down arrows, usually found next to the filter option. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu that allows you to sort your emails. This is your gateway to organizing your emails by date. From the drop-down list, simply click on Date. This option ensures your emails are organized in chronological order, either by the date they were received or sent. Once you've selected date, the sorting doesn't stop there. You have further flexibility to customize this order. Click the up and down arrow again to see how you can adjust the order of this sorting. You'll find options to choose either newest on top or oldest on top. If you are looking for the most recent emails, opt for newest on top. Conversely, if you're hunting for older emails or prefer seeing the history unfold from the beginning, choose oldest on top. This feature ensures you have complete control over how you view your emails. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to sort your emails by date in Outlook efficiently. It's a simple yet powerful method to wrangle your inbox, keep track of communications, and stay on top of your digital correspondence. Practicing these steps regularly can help streamline your email management, making you more productive and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy sorting.